Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use strike options on crypto. Calm. Strike options are a regulated crypto derivative product available in the Crypto.com app. They offer a straightforward way to predict if a cryptocurrency's price will be above a specific strike price at a set expiration time. You simply decide yes or no for potential profit. Understanding key terms is crucial. The strike price is the specific price point you're predicting the asset will be above or not. The expiration date is the time when your contract settles. You can take a long position by choosing yes if you believe the price will exceed the strike, or a short position by choosing no if you think it won't. To trade, first open the Crypto.com app and go to the Derivatives tab. Here, you'll select your desired cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ether, choose a strike price, and set an expiration time. Then, decide if you believe the price will be above the strike, enter the number of contracts you wish to trade, and confirm your order. Managing risk is vital. With strike options, your maximum loss is capped at your initial investment and trading fees. You can also implement take-profit orders to automatically close positions and lock in gains. For continuous trading, rolling strike options can automatically renew profitable positions, helping you maintain momentum while managing your downside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.